U.S. civil rights law, which says you are not allowed to discriminate on the basis of all these characteristics. You have worked yourself into a system in which you are absolutely discriminating on the basis of these characteristics through actual hard quotas, which are illegal. And so to start with, I think all of these companies that implemented these systems, I think they've all ended up basically being on the wrong side of civil rights law, which is of course this like incredibly ironic result, right? That they've all ended up with illegal quotas. I mentioned Hollywood earlier. Hollywood has gone all in for they literally now publish their hard quotas. The studios have these statements that says by X date, 50% of our producers and writers and actors and so forth are going to be from specific groups. And again, you just read like the Civil Rights Acts and it's like, okay, that's actually not legal. And yet they're doing it. This administration, this last administration, the Biden administration really hammered this in, and they put these real radicals in charge of groups like the Civil Rights Division of the Department of Justice. And the sort of ultimate like amazing expression of this, bizarre expression of this was SpaceX. One of Elon's companies got sued by the Civil Rights Division of this Department of Justice for not hiring enough refugees, right? Not hiring enough foreign nationals who had come either illegals or coming in through a refugee path. Notwithstanding the fact that SpaceX is a federal contractor and is only allowed in most of its employee base to hire American citizens. And so the government simultaneously demands of SpaceX that they only hire American citizens and that they hire refugees. And the government views no responsibility whatsoever to reconcile that. You're guilty either way. Right. And then again, the general companies are in this bind now where if they do everything they're supposed to do, they end up in violation of the civil rights law, which they started out by trying to comply with. And this has all happened without reason and rational discussion. This has all happened in a completely hysterical, emotional frenzy. And what these companies are realizing is they're now on the other side of this, and there's just simply no way to win.